So guys, for the first method, make sure that you disable overclocking on your CPU and your GPU. So if your CPU and your GPU have been overclocked, then you want to disable overclocking, and this should now fix your problem. For the second method, if you're playing on Steam, then you want to find your game, and then once you find your game, you want to right click on it, and then click on properties. And now once we're here, under launch options, you want to type in -dx11. We can now close out of this, and now you want to launch your game, see if that works for you. And now for the last method, there's going to be 3 links down below in the description for NVIDIA, AMD and Intel. You want to download the software that comes with your graphics card. For me, I have an NVIDIA graphics card, so I got the NVIDIA app. And now once you're on our application, you want to go to the driver tab. Now you want to click on check for updates. Make sure that your graphics card drivers are fully up to date for your software. And now once your graphics card drivers have been updated, you just want to restart your computer. And then this should now fix your problem.